If you're looking for a serious CNC project, give this straddle carrier a try. This CNC straddle carrier definitely is not a lightweight. What you need is 6 sheets of plywood, 500 by 400 millimeters, 6 millimeters thick, a 1/8 straight double flute bit, CNC router. Took me about an hour and a half just to cut all the pieces. Assembly wise, I had to do it over 3 days because I ran out of clamps, but you probably get it done within 1 day if you have all the clamps ready and set. Alright, let's look at how it was cut. Over the course of assembling this CNC straddle carrier, I managed to get quite a bit of red paint on it. Red paint came from my thumb and it was actually quite sore the next day. Anyways, this is actually pretty strong. You can lift a container up. There's a small little handbrake that fits right into a hole here and locks it into place. You have lots of wheels on this product, and you'll notice that there are also some guides on each edge. What this does is prevent the string from bunching up together, so the string is always separated perfectly. When your CNC bit breaks, investigate the area to make sure that there isn't anything in your design causing it, other than normal wear and tear. This CNC straddle carrier is large and in charge, and you can buy the plans at woodmarvels.com. I'll see you in the next video.